is a 95-gallon fuel tank. I use it to fuel up all my equipment. And basically there are a couple tabs at the bottom of it. And what I do is just put it in the back. I get like 3-inch self-tappers and just screw right to the bed. Because once you fill it, then it's heavy enough it won't slide around the back of your truck. I'm going to back my truck up, slide this in the back, because it's extremely heavy because there's still fuel in it. So I'm just going to make it easy on myself, and I don't have to break my back. Oh wow, this thing has quite a bit of fuel. Alright, that's done. And I just gotta throw the battery in now. Do that quick. Oh, great. So any battery really works. This is a, I don't know, 800 cranking amps. I don't know. It lasts a pretty long time. You can actually run wires to the front of the truck to the battery, and because this has a nozzle on it, you take this off to pump something, you turn this up, boom, it comes on. It would be nice to wire this direct. It's actually a pretty long wire, it's almost reach. But I haven't really had time to do it. I should, but maybe I'll do a video on it, running the wires to the front. Maybe that's not a bad idea. Good thing about a diesel too, the batteries are on both sides because it's got 2 batteries, 24 volt. So it's nice actually. Actually, I put this battery. See, one of my clips broke off, but I just put the battery there, and I usually clip it on when I need to use it. And tailgate fell down, and you can see it scratched it and even dented it a little bit. So I need to redo these quick. These just pop off. This is a Torx head. This side pops off. That's actually missing the thing. And same thing, Torx head. Alright, so let's get this off. Alright, just a Torx. See how bad that is. Man, they get rusted, huh? What happens is they probably get ripped and then they just rust out because the water gets inside. Oh, man. What do we got here? Oh. There we go. Alright, this goes on here. The bolt started. Back on. This clips onto here. Just just like that. Let's do the other side. Same thing. Go there. By the way, if you guys don't have one of these impact drills, probably the best thing you'll ever buy. If you do a lot of messing around. And if you just use it like just for your house, you could get ones with the, I think they're 14 volt. They're a lot smaller, and it's a lot easier. And even taking like screws out, all kinds of stuff, it doesn't strip them as easy. I use regular drills just for like if I'm gonna do like tap cons or something in concrete, something like that. I'll use a regular drill, but I normally use impact drills because they're so much better. I just all right, let's try it. Nice. Yeah, that's way better. Now I won't be denting all this in. I don't really care. I don't. But it is dented though. Wow. Push it in, you can see it. But that's alright. Just a work truck anyway.